What's up guys, Ethan back here with another vicrez installation video. Today we're going to be installing Durango replacement carbon fiber paddle shifters, part number vz102449. These do fit both all Charger, Challenger, Durango, Trackhawk SRT8 Jeeps. Alright guys, first off we're going to start off with a 10mm wrench. We're going to go ahead and just connect your battery. Alright guys, next up with an Allen wrench, we're going to go ahead and remove the airbag. You're going to go ahead and locate both holes on both sides. Once you feel, you're going to feel around, it's going to feel like a little spring. Once you do, go ahead, apply some pressure and it'll pop right out. Once your airbag is out, you're going to go ahead and pop off these tabs. As well, you're going to go ahead and have another cable. That just popped off. There you go. There's your airbag remover. Alright guys, next up with the 3/8 size socket wrench, we're going to go ahead and remove the steering wheel center bolt. Go with a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead and remove these two harnesses. There's two. You can go ahead and pop off your steering wheel. There you go. That's how you remove your Durango steering wheel. Alright guys, next up, after you guys do remove your steering wheel, you're gonna go ahead and pop off these little caps behind the paddle shifters. And with the screwdriver with the small star nut, you're going to go ahead and remove these two star nuts. There's one, two, and go ahead and remove the bracket. After that, you're going to go ahead and push it forward a little bit, pull up, and it'll pop right out. And then we're just going to follow the same exact steps to go ahead and reinstall them. You know, put this end first, pop it in a little bit. There you go, your paddle shifter is put in. You're going to put your bracket back on. Alright guys, make sure to not over tighten this. If you do over tighten it, your button's going to stay down. So make sure it's going to be tightened to a certain amount. You'll go ahead and feel that. And your paddle shifter's installed. You're going to go ahead and put in your cap back on. We're going to go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. And there you go. There you go, and that's how you go ahead and install your carbon fiber replacement paddle shifters. Alright guys, after we do finish installing these carbon fiber paddle shifters, we're going to go ahead and put back the steering wheel. I'm going to go ahead and run your airbag wires through here. Make sure guys, some of you guys does have a steering wheel weight. Don't forget to put that back on. Go ahead and connect your harnesses. After that, we're going to go ahead and proceed and move forward by reinstalling your steering wheel bolt. After doing that, we're gonna go ahead and proceed by reinstalling your airbag. All right, we're gonna go ahead and they're color coded, so can't miss them. You're gonna go ahead and put one back in, snap it back in, put the other, and then your last little wire, we're gonna go ahead and pop that back in. After, we're gonna go ahead and make sure all your wires are out the way. There you go. Airbag's back in. Steering wheel's back installed. And then one last thing before we do go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and reconnect your battery. All right, guys. After you guys do reinstall your steering wheel, do not forget to go ahead and reconnect your battery. It's kind of a vital thing for your car to start. Nice and stuck. Alright guys, so that does it for the installation video on the carbon fiber paddle shifter replacements, part number vz102449. This is for the Durango, but these paddle shifters as well do fit Charger, Challenger, SRT8 Jeep, Trackhawk Jeep, as well as your Chrysler 300. Do go ahead and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, follow us as well on Instagram. We do have a new thing going on our website, becoming a membership. You do get exclusive deals. Go ahead and make sure to go sign up on that. Stay tuned for a couple more videos. We are going to be doing a couple more installations. Hope to see you guys soon.